everybody. Now I am conducting class 6 geography class. Today we will start a new topic, that is chapter number 3, weather and climate. So first we will discuss about the term what is weather and what is climate. Weather means what and climate means what? Weather means the regular basis atmospheric situation. Okay, like this atmospheric pressure, atmospheric moisture, temperature, everything includes in weather. And what is climate? Average weather condition of an area like 30 to 35 years. Okay, the time span is 30 to 35 years. That denotes the climate of the region. So today we will discuss that which are the elements of the weather. Weather means what? As I said, that everyday's condition, atmospheric condition. Atmospheric condition, it may be that atmospheric temperature, it should be atmospheric pressure, it should be the moisture, and many more other elements which improve or which impacts in our weather. So just come to the next page, page number 22. There we will see the most important prominent features of weather. The first important thing of the weather is temperature. How much temperature is important? Temperature, we all know that temperature is very important element for weather condition, because as temperature will increase, what will happen? Definitely we are feeling hot. When temperature will decrease, we will feel cold. When temperature is in a soothing situation, then we also feel very good. We can say that soothing climate, like the temperate region. So temperature also impacts on some elements like water, moisture. Okay, especially you can see that in this summer season, so much of we are feeling so hot. What is happening? Temperature is increasing. As a result, the water vapor of this water bodies continuously evaporating up, and after summer we can see the rainy season. Why? Because from all the wet water bodies evaporating all that things, and ultimately it forms the cloud. Ultimately the cloud will burst and that rainfall will come. This is the normal cycle of water. Like this way water cycle continue. Like this way water also temperature also impacts on weather. And adverse is the absolutely opposite condition we can see in that winter season. We can see that time we generally except few cases we never experience the rainfall, except few cases. But in that mountainous region, due to very low temperature, water always turns into from water to ice. That means many more hazardous situation we can face there, because generally if the water turns towards the ice, that means that landslides and all these things are happening over there. So weather is very important, and temperature as an element of weather is much more important. Okay, second point, that is atmospheric pressure. There we can see that if the temperature will high, the atmospheric pressure will decrease. If the temperature is low, the atmospheric pressure will increase. So in this summer season we can experience that low pressure zone, because due to high heat of the sun, all the water bodies evaporates up, forms the cloud. And in the winter season, due to low temperature, we can see that the perpendicular air pressure we can face on the ground. Okay, so in that mountainous region we can see that there is the high pressure zone, or in the polar region, this is also the high pressure zone. Okay, now come to the next point, that is wind. Very important point. Wind is also very important element for one important element of weather, because if wind blows, okay, it also affects the weather situation. Like if the coastal region, from the coastal region, if the cold wind will blow, definitely the coast will be ice capped. Like there is a Caribbean near the Britain, UK. This during after that winter season, they are waiting for this hot current. Why they are waiting for that hot current which will come from the Atlantic Ocean? because that hot current will melt the ice and ultimately the port will free from ice and that official work will start. That means wind blow, ocean current, all these things are very important as an important element of the weather. So today we will discuss up to this. Next day we will start with some new features. You will learn from page number 21 to page number 23 up to wind. Next day we will start from humidity. Stay tuned. Bye bye and be safe.